Hello, this is a video of this Lasko fan. I got a mask on, so I'm gonna turn it on. It doesn't have the lean back thing, just watch. See that? That's medium. It still leans back, see? Sorry about that. Now, that's low speed. And low doesn't lean it back. So, that's off. And now, I'm going to show you something else. Hampton. This is a Hampton Bay minuet. Right here. Now I'm gonna turn the light. Now I'm gonna turn the light on. And it doesn't show all speeds. It's one speed now. Now here I go. That's one speed. Okay, it's this. It's this one speed. I'm gonna. I'll turn it off. I turn the light off. It's this. Okay. It's one speed because it's low, and I'm gonna turn it off for you. Oh no. So I'm gonna turn.